Good morning, good morning. Pravnav, hey there. Good morning. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Good to see you. I mean, good to see anyone in this early, you know. The session is just starting. Good morning, man. Good morning. Please drop a like. All right. Let's see what we're doing here. Just starting out. And, you know, the market's already moving. Do we have any news? Not really. Not really. All right. Oh, man. Yesterday was a blast. Thank you for dropping by the way. Pranav. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. We're just started the kill zone, so let's go through some analysis real quick. My weekly bias and analysis is in a separate video. You can find it in the week ahead video. I uploaded it on Sunday. So let's see what's going on. Just a quick overlook, and then I'll go through from gold, euro, and the pound. All right, let's see the pound. Okay. So on the 4 hour, I was telling in the video, you should just check it out, that I'm overall bullish on the forex pairs, on the euro and pound, also on gold for the week and for the next week. On the long term, of course. Intraday, let's see what's going on. This is the 4 hour pound chart. We was inside a 4 hour bullish order block during the Asian session. So let's go down to the 1 hour. We see a bullish order block forming by breaking this structure here, a 1 hour bullish order block. Asia low didn't quite took out yesterday London low, so that is still intact. Otherwise, I do not see anything major. We definitely took out Asia high here, so that is something we have to keep in mind. This is previous day high, so we could see kind of a reversal to maybe target yesterday's London low, aka also Asia low, maybe to break out from this 4 hour bullish order block range, which is this rectangle right down there. Oh, thank you very much. Pranav, thank you so much. Thank you. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. And by the way, you deserve an applause. So thank you. It really means a lot. So, bro, can you please share your trading journal? Oh, well, you know, my trading journal, I can do that actually. But where is it? It's on my stats page, but actually the original trading journal, I also copied it, you know. I copied it from a streamer, Dan Vo. I'm not sure if you're familiar. I can you can actually Google, search for him on YouTube, because he was sharing the original one. Let me see if I can get it to you. He was live trading yesterday as well. Let me see. Hold on a second. I'll share it to you in just a second. Free journal. So he was the one who I copied the journal. So I can copy a link for you here. But I have to shorten the URL. Okay. Okay, I have to short it. No problem, bro. Try this one. There you go. This is the original link where or I downloaded my. I'm using the same. So he's a streamer also, but he's using a completely different strategy. So that's where I copied my journal. Anyway. All right, great. So you can customize it. Okay, so pound turned. The pound has turned. Let's see. There is a 5-minute bearish order block on the euro as well. 5-minute bearish order block on the euro. There. So it reacted to this 5-minute bearish order block. Five-minute bearish order block. Let's see, what else do we have? It's the pound also reacting. I'm not sure which order block is it reacting to, because there is none here. The only thing I can imagine is that it just wants to retrace back down. I haven't checked the dollar index yet. This is the dollar index. Dollar index is also inside the 4-hour bearish order block, so it might be dropping down further. I don't know. Have to check. Have to check, guys. What else do we have? Okay, let's see gold. You're welcome. You're welcome, Pranav, sorry. We're going to trade the silver bullet too, if we have a chance. Okay, so pound is coming back down to the zone. Maybe euro will have a reaction, but let's see what is euro doing on the 1 hour. We took out basically, look at that, we took out last week low during the Asian session, and look at this. This is a 1 hour bullish order block. Now price reacted to this order block once, twice. We shall see if we are going to react it once more. And if we look at it closer, look at that. This is actually a classic one. On the 1 hour chart on the euro, we see a classic ICT U2 2022 model entry forming. It swept low, which was last week's low. It's quite significant in this case. We are inside the bullish order block. Strong confirmation from my side, especially because we are in the 1 hour. And now we are actually, we might going to react to this 5-minute order block. So we might going to return. Let me show you. We might going to return into the mid threshold, into this level. So this scenario is quite possible. So if we see a possible range on the 5-minute, if we see a possible range on the 5-minute, we can take a short to reprice this imbalance on the 1 hour. So this is the 1 hour again. And then if we get a nice entry, I'm not going to enter based only on the 1 hour chart because I'm not a swing trader, and this is obviously going to be a swing position if it's going to give this one. I'm going to be looking for a possible 5-minute or 15-minute entry, maybe a silver bullet, we'll see. But that's it. So right now, let's see the range on euro. We have a range, not too much, only 10 pips. So that's not too much. Because we only have 10 pips range, I have to be very cautious. So right this line of the 1 hour order block, this is going to be equilibrium. So it's reacting from the 5-minute now. Now, let's see again the range. If this would give us, I'm not sure, it's hard to tell. I would be much more comfortable if it's just gonna, you know, edge lower and lower without breaking any structure. I would be definitely looking for, let me show you, if it's just going to edge lower without any major structure break, then I'm going to be looking for a possible long entry, because this right here, this fair value gap on the 5-minute is going to be the optimal trade entry for me. Alpha Bear, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good to see you guys. Love you all, by the way, for being here. Don't forget to push the like button, guys. So this would be what I'm looking for. This would be what I'm looking for. But for now, we're just waiting. After last month's disaster, I'm not going to take a trade on the 1-minute. I'm strictly holding myself onto the 5 and 15-minute entry, exception for the silver bullet. That's it. Yesterday we took 4 or 5 silver bullet, and we had only 1 loss. Yeah, there you go. There was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 silver bullet entries. I think it's too much. Maybe you shouldn't take this much silver bullets, but I was watching the pound and the euro as well, and I was having 1 stop loss on the silver bullet, and everything is, let me see, there. Which one was it? Not even sure which one was it. I think it was this. Damn it. Maybe I took the wrong picture here. Anyway, I'm gonna sort it out later. I'm gonna sort it. Anyway, 1 silver bullet was wrong. We're still 88% there. But let's see. Okay, so euro could be showing us some retracement. As for gold, because I know you guys are interested in gold too, this is the 1-hour gold chart. Nothing major is happening. We have some buy side up there. If I go to the 4-hour, we had multiple structure breaks on the 4-hour here as well. Although we broke structure to the downside too. Hard to tell. We didn't really took out all the highs here. I wanted to see yesterday this buy side to be taken. If I look at the daily, well, the daily is still bearish. No major, well, yeah, no major structure break on the daily. So we're still bearish on the daily. Although I do think that there's lots of liquidity engineered up around 1983. Are we gonna go back there? I have no idea. For some time I really thought that we're gonna visit that level, but you know, that's quite important. So if I go down to the 4-hour gold, we can see a structure break here, right there. I can draw this. So there's a structure break. There's a structure break right there on the 4-hour, especially because it took out some highs, not all of it, but it's still a structure break. And it can be considered as a bearish order block too. So if we just look at the body of the candle, this would be a bearish order block on gold. We have to see how it's going to react for that. So let's just, yeah, let's just put this here, there. 4-hour bearish order block. Four-hour bearish order block. Sorry guys, I have to make a quick phone call. Don't go anywhere. Alright guys, sorry, I'm here. Good morning, Wahab. Good to see you guys. Good morning, good morning. So, let's go down to the 5 minutes. So, we have to take care, we have to be on a watch, because, what is this? This is a 4-hour bearish order block on gold. We could be going in there shortly, but for now, well, let's see. On gold, we are in a 5-minute order block as well. That's interesting, but no structure break. No structure break. No structure break here. This is an order block here. 5-minute bearish order block. If someone is, you know, trading for order blocks, then this would be, well, somewhat your entry. But if I would trade order blocks, I would enter at some kind of a structure break. If you don't even want to see, wait for the fair value gap, then at least you should wait for some kind of a structure break to be safe. If you want to trade this 5-minute order block, but I'm not trading it. Okay, so the euro is forming some kind of a structure, which is good. Pound is basically forming nothing. Let's check the 15-minute, as I'm looking also for 15-minute entries. By the way, there's a storm right next to us here, right next to me. Euro dollar on the 15-minute, nothing really. And gold, nothing major on the 15-minute. So we're just waiting. We might be having some kind of a reaction. You know, if I want to be very strict on this order block on gold, well, around Asian session, actually gold somehow reacted to this order block. So this is the order block. If I look at only the body of the candles, as you can see in Asia session, price reacted to this order block, and now it may want to burst through. It almost succeeded. Now it may want to burst higher into the 4-hour. So I'm not taking a short based on this order block for now. I know it's a crazy word and it's not even valid, that a lot of traders say that it has been mitigated here. I'm not sure if it's the correct word, because I think an order block can do its job maybe multiple times. But in my personal opinion, if, let's just stay with the word mitigated, if this order block, let me draw it again. So if one order block is getting mitigated once, it's fine, it's reacting to it. If it's getting mitigated twice, maybe it's going to react for it. If price is going back once more, the third time is going to have a much lower probability, even in the second time, that it's going to react and go down. So this is my theory. I've seen that many times, but you know, correct me if I'm wrong. This is my personal opinion. Okay, so because price reacted already in the Asian session, maybe it reacted for the order block. I don't know for sure, of course. I'm just assuming. Maybe this second time it just wants to go through. But since I'm not trading for order blocks, I don't really care. It's just how should I say, confirmation. If an entry would come up. Okay, the 5-minute order block here is still holding euro dollar. it is forming some kind of a structure here, and pound is hovering as well, so nothing major. Let's see the dollar index. Dollar index is going down for now. Let's go out for the 15-minute. Oops. This is a 4-hour bearish order block. Very interesting. See that? Dollar index during the Asian session perfectly reacted for this 4-hour bearish order block. It's dropping down. The question is, how far is it going to drop? Was this enough for dollar index for the drop? Is it going to retrace back and continue its way up, continue to be bullish, or is it going to drop all the way down, take out this relative equal lows here? This is a scenario that we don't know yet. We have to adapt ourselves to this scenario. There is a fair value gap on the 15-minute here. I think it's going to go into that 100% right here. I can show you the dollar index has a fair value gap here on the 15. Is going right into that. Maybe it's going to have a reaction and then it's going to burst to the opposite direction. Just my observation, nothing extra. Okay, so let's get back to pound and the euro. All right. Okay, nothing. So we're just waiting, guys. It's the waiting game. It's the waiting game. And please, if you can, please drop a like or push the like button and subscribe to the channel. Lots of good things are coming. So far this month we're doing okay. Had 13 trades with 3 stop losses. I hope it's 3, right? Yeah, 3 stop losses. So far we're doing good. Best setups came from euro. We had 1 gold. The pound was okay too. Silver bullets are providing some good profit. So journal wise, if you risk 1% on every trade, which we are logging here on the stream, if you risk 1%, you could have made 7.5%. So if someone is new here, guys, what you're reading there is that we had 10 wins and 3 losses. The 7.5% applies if you were risking 1%. Now I'm using an account which has 51,477, which is a challenge account. Okay, but I'm copying my trades to several accounts. I'm not sharing my own personal account because it's a small account. I'm not a Lambo guru. I'm not a Thomas. Oh my God, Thomas. Thomas, man. You deserve an applause. And guys, I have to put out a new text here because Thomas is made a top donation yesterday for $20. Thank you so much for the donation, Thomas. It was I mean, it was awesome, man. Thank you so much. So so this is how we're doing with the journal. I'm going to put on a separate video how you should read. All these trades are logged into my Discord. Now if you're asking where is my Discord server, FXMO, oh my God, you deserve an applause as well. Doing great, FXMO. So if you ask where is my Discord server, is going to be available for members. I do have to make some kind of a layer of income because I'm trying to be a full-time streamer, but I'm not there yet. So I'm providing a membership through my Patreon site, which you can visit at pip.ninja. And members are going to be able to access all my account details, all the trades or the logs, which I'm logging here as well on the stream. So I know I'm not a guru, but I try to stay up on top because if you guys want me and I would like to stay here every day stream and log the trades and provide all the information I can share with you guys and help out each other. What I can do for my members is one-on-one coaching, not just coaching, but idea brainstorming and analyzing trades, private Zooms with backtesting sessions with the strategy and everything. I can do that. That's what I'm working on. It's a layer of income for me because I have a small side business, but for now I cannot live solely from trading. That's why I'm doing it. So that's the explanation for you, but I'm going to do a separate video on this. So let's get back to euro. Euro is going higher on the 5-minute order block. And let's see. Okay, so it burst, it went through the 5-minute, which is great, no problem. Pound is still in one place. And as I told you, the gold, as it reacted to this 5-minute order block once in the Asian session, now it seems like it just wants to go through with it. Through on it, sorry. All the way up. All the way up to the 4-hour. All the way up to the 4-hour. We are going to have a we are going to have the silver bullet session in 30 minutes. So what is this? That's the 4-hour. Yes, okay. So let me show you the 4-hour bearish order block on gold. Here it is. This is the 4-hour chart, and that's the order block which has took some liquidity and drove down and broke structure as well right here. So on the 4-hour order block or structure break, gold is just tapping into this fair value gap, this 4-hour fair value gap. So we could be seeing a bearish turn, but it has to go over this top, I think. Well, it went. Actually, it poked into it. I would be happier if it would take out this one. All right. All right. So it is what it is. Pound US dollar, nothing. Euro US dollar, actually still nothing. Went through this 5-minute order block. No reaction. Maybe a little bit of a struggle here, but it went through. As you can see, here is the 5-minute order block. Actually started from here, but price just went through. Let's search for another order block if we have one. Let's go to the 15-minute. 15-minute has none, so euro just started to go bullish, I guess. No entry for me. So guys, we're going to have sessions where we have absolutely zero entries. So I'm actually hoping for that because I need to lower down my entries. Exception for the silver bullet, because we're implementing that as an extra layer for now. Now gold poked into liquidity. I'm not sure what it wants to do, but I would have been much happier if it would have gone higher than this 5-minute order block. But so far, the 5-minute order block on gold, which is right here, is still, well, if not perfectly, but still holding this 5-minute order block. There. So this 5-minute order block is still holding, not in the perfect way, but it's still holding. What the hell is this music, man? Sorry, but guys, I have copyright-free music. That's what we have to go with. Don't want any trouble from YouTube. Okay. Okay, so we're waiting. It's the waiting game, guys. It should be boring. After London opens, we are entering the silver bullet area. Now, you can read it below the stream as well, but I have to state out loud that this stream is education only. And I do not recommend anyone to take the same trades as I take. So it's your risk. If you want to take the same trades I take, there's a risk disclaimer down there. Just saying, all right? I'm going to put out actually a tag somewhere on the stream that this is an educational stream, because I heard some stories that people got into trouble by streaming, you know, trading and stuff. But I did provided that this is an educational stream for YouTube. So anyway, you never know. You never know in these worlds. Today's world, you never know. Okay, so dollar index went into that 15-minute. Look at that, how beautifully. Just as we were talking about that, this is the 15-minute fair value gap. Dollar index went into that. Now let's see if we're going to have a reaction from dollar index. Because if it's going to start to go bullish from here, then we are definitely going to, oh, look at that. Gold is almost, actually it broke this high. So then we are going to look for some shorts. I will take trade if my view is the same. Like, okay, Pranav, that's what I'm saying. I mean, if you have the same view as I'm, you know, analyzing the chart, and it's your decision, you know, it's your decision. You're the one who is, you know, choosing the risk parameters for yourself, your stop loss and everything. So, but Pranav, I have to say, I'm very happy that you're here. So thanks again. Even but just by having you guys watching the stream means a lot to me. So thanks again for pushing those likes. If someone haven't already. All right. All right, sorry guys, just a quick phone call. Just a quick phone call. All right. So we're still waiting for a reaction, guys. Waiting for a reaction. No entries. Everybody just stay calm. No entries. No silver bullet yet. We're not in the zone yet. You are inside. Technically, we're still in the vicinity of this 5-minute order block. So, and you know, gold with this tick right here, this wick actually, it went a little bit higher than this one. So no, depends on the price feed, you know, and depends on the broker, but let's just assume that it took out this previous high. So anything can happen from here. We have to wait. Discipline, guys, discipline. The beautiful thing, by the way, for you guys, let me just have a clean chart on euro. This is a clean chart. Let me remove drawings. Okay, this is the euro dollar. This is euro dollar, and it's a clean chart. All right, just to be clear. Okay, so euro, look at that. Euro took out last week's. I'm selling at 1933, still hold. Haritas, that's very good. That's very good. 1933, very good. You're in a very good entry. Congratulations, man. So on euro, thank you for being here, by the way, Haritas. Thank you so much. So euro took out last week's low. This was here. This was last week's low. All right. Euro took it out on the 1 hour. This is the 1 hour chart. Now what do we see? If you took the FIB tool, then we can see that the mid level or mid threshold, or you can call it equilibrium or whatever you want to call it, it's up to you, is down there. And what do we see here? It's an order block. It's a fair value gap. This is a fair value gap. And what happened here on the hourly? This one broke structure. So we had a market structure shift right there. Right there. There's a market structure shift with this candle. Equilibrium is right here. So guys, I think you know what's the drill. And what do you see? This is the classic 2022 YouTube model from ICT for entering. Now, don't forget that this is the 1 hour chart. So rules are actually the same, but the timing and the distance is a little bit different than taking the same trade on the 5-minute or whatever. But we can expect price to come back into this area, and this would be my point of interest right around here, that area. Okay. Just messing around. So this would be my interest, and this is what I would be willing to see on euro on the 1 hour with a fair value gap on the lower time frame. That is what I would be looking for. Okay, so don't forget 1 hour euro, it has some potential. You have to keep an eye on for that. Okay, so Haritas, you're having a sell from 33. Wow, very nice, dude. Very nice entry there. Very good, very good. I think you have still a potential to hold that trade. So congratulations. That's a very nice short right there. Okay, so markets are going to be open in 19 minutes. Pound is trying to make a structure shift on the 5-minute. A little bit dangerous, but we still have some time to close this range. Possible short entry. Let's look at the pound. Could this be a market maker sell model? We have almost relative equal lows, but not that perfect right down here. Now here we definitely have relative equal lows. 4 hour bullish order block here. Let's see. Is it gonna drive down there? It can go down. It can go down and, you know, try to take out this bullish order block. This rectangle here is a 4-hour bullish order block. So target wise, it can be good. You know, because the only other reasonable target would be for pound is to take out, well, it can take out yesterday's high, but last week's high is up there. What do we have? We have a round number of 27, which is quite near, and it can go below. You know, price was pushing yesterday back up in these levels. Now look at that. It couldn't really leave the 127 level. It was pushing back up here. It was pushing back up here. Pretty much stayed. It was gravitating around 127. What can this mean? You know, it, first of all, it broke away, it went back down, tried to make it again, didn't succeed. So then it tried to gravitate here. So I assume that it tried again, it didn't succeed. Now it will go down and take out the bullish order block. You know, this is a theory which I'm looking for. Now we have to wait. I would be happier if this candle would close below this one, although if it closes below this one, this candle, that would be still a structure break on the 5 minutes. So this is the 5-minute pound. Will I take a short trade? Maybe, I don't know, but not here. First we have to leave this area, leave a fair value gap, then retrace and go down. So it's not that simple. It's not that simple, but it still has a little bit less than 1 minute. If it would close below, let's check it here. Okay. So I would need this candle to close below. This would be the optimal. If this would, technically it broke structure, this one, but I still need this candle to close below this, and not just by one tick, because as much as it counts, okay, it's not going to close there. It's retracing back up, so no entry. I mean, no entry otherwise as well, but still has 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, no joy, no joy. It's a structure break technically, but I want to see a down close candle. So that's it. Nothing major. Now Euro formed a structure here, which is nice. But I do think that we have to wait for market open to see any kind of possible entry. This is how it will be. Okay, gold edging lower. Come on. All right. So we're just waiting. We're waiting for market open, guys. Gordy D, oh my god. Bonjour, bonjour. Welcome to the stream. And this is a welcome for everyone. And thank you guys for being here. Gordy D, bonjour. Bonjour. Please guys, like the stream, push the like button, it means a lot to me. I'm a small streamer again, I'm not a Lambo guru. I haven't made it there yet. I'm trying to be constantly profitable. I blew a challenge account last month. July was a disaster, but we started out very good journal wise. So right now I'm trading a challenge account, a 50k challenge account, but it's not my challenge account, but I'm not going to go into the details. It's just one of my friends' challenge account. I still have to decide what kind of challenge account do I want to continue with, but all the trades which you see here, we have 10 winners and 3 losses, have been logged on the stream or on my Discord for the members. And for membership, there is a site which I just started at Patreon. It's at Pip.Ninja, or you can check the link below, and that's it. That was the commercial. So thank you so much. I'm a small streamer, guys, but not just a small streamer. I'm a small trader starting out, trying to make a living, have a small side business. I still do not make a living solely based on trading. There you go. So trying to upgrade the stream and pay my bills and, you know, be here every day, so all support is welcome. There are some links below, guys, and you know, visit my blog at tomsabo.biz or my Patreon at pip.ninja. Thank you so much. I'm still haven't decided what kind of a challenge should I start. I know I want to start a 25k or 50k and with a no time limit. I mean, that's what I know. A no time limit challenge for me, that would be better. Less stress with the time, and I think my funded effects would be. Oh, thank you. Alright, maybe I would say that maybe I'm good in technical analysis, but I still struggling. For example, look at last month. Let me show you guys. Look at that. Thank you so much. Look at that. Look at what happened in June. Look at all these stop losses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stop losses in a row. 1, 2, 3 stop losses in a row. And look at May. I had a look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stop losses. The results were good though, over 10% here. And on June we had, by the end of the month I recouped it, but I was down minus 5%. April was the best so far with 16%. Exchange King, good morning. Almost time for 3 a.m. Yes, exactly. 10 more minutes to go, and please guys, like the stream. Like the stream. So I'm journaling everything I can, guys, but you know, it's still hard to make it to the top. So thank you for supporting me by being here and watching the stream and pushing the like button. Thank you so much. It really means a lot to me, guys. And a big shout out to Thomas again for yesterday's donation. All right. Pound is going higher. No surprise there. No structure I see on pound. The only thing I see is that the 4-hour bullish order block is still holding down here. This is the rectangle down there. And euro going higher. I guess we have to wait for London Open for sure. Now gold has taken out this high. We're still gravitating around this 5-minute order block, bearish order block, but no entry as of yet. I'm going to be looking for silver bullet entries on euro and pound, most likely. So I'm going to be looking for the euro and the pound for possible entries. And don't forget, guys, there's only one major rule in my personal opinion, and anyone can argue with that, it's no problem. My personal opinion, and ICT said the same as well, as that if you know where is the draw on liquidity, then it's going to be fine. You just have to find a fair value gap to dive into that trade, and that's it. So you have to decide where is the draw on liquidity. That's all you have to do. That's the major part of the silver bullet. Basically, that's the key for all of it. If you basically, it's like 50-50%, of course, 50% chance, but if you know where is the draw on liquidity, then your silver bullet trade should be just fine by using that fair value gap, which is going to build the bridge for you to arrive there, to arrive to that liquidity. Now you have to take it to accounting that there are imbalances in the 5-minute or lower. So right now, euro, as you can see, there is an imbalance right here from last Wednesday. I think it was last. No, it was yesterday. Oh my God, I'm so stupid. All right, sorry. So from yesterday, there is a imbalance right here. Now euro is starting to go in that area, which is great. Now above that, I don't really see anything special in terms of liquidity. Now the only logical reason for price would be to, you know, go higher is to maybe, well, the next, we have relative equal highs, but if you're thinking short term, especially on the 1 minute, then maybe we would have much more logical reason to retrace back down, break some structure, or reprice something lower. I don't know. We will see in a few minutes. All right. That does not mean that I am going to force a trade. I need to see some real clear entries. Now, if this is going to stay open, that's going to be difficult. Okay, pound. As for pound, possible draw on liquidity would be still on the downside. Look at this. We have imbalance right here, waiting to be filled. And we have imbalance right here as well, waiting to be filled. Now, don't get, you know, carried away. Yesterday we made some good progress with silver bullets. We took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 silver bullets, and only one stop loss happened. So that was a real good result. But you know, I'm not saying we cannot have 2 stop losses in a row or something like that. So don't let us get carried away. 5 minutes until London Open, and we are going to be looking for a possible silver bullet. I'm only going to take clear entries. I'm not going to force anything which I'm not seeing clear. And if we don't get an entry, then we don't. Okay, that's it for my silver bullet speech. Sarvesh, oh my God, one of my best regulars. Huge applause, my man. You know the drill. Like button. Good morning, Sarvesh. Good morning, good morning. How you doing? How you doing, guys? Sarvesh, how you doing? How's your morning? All right. So London is not open yet. Let's check some news. Do we have any major news driver this morning? German industrial orders, who cares? I mean, no, sorry, everyone cares, but forecast. Oh, we have some news. What news we have? French ADP, okay. Oh, factory orders. Yeah, that came in at 8 o'clock, but is this good? Is that much higher number? Look at that. Just lost 2% trying to buy UJ. Be careful there, Sarvesh. So the German factory orders was quite higher. Change in the value of the new purchase orders placed with manufacturers. I'm not gonna go into economics because you guys are gonna laugh so hard. I don't want to end up in Reddit or somewhere. Dario. Yeah, I know, Dario. I know. I don't worry about it. I exactly know that's not important. I'm aware of that. I was just looking at the numbers because this number was, quite different than from the previous ones. There was a previous one, there was a forecast, and we have a huge difference. That's why I was looking at it. Otherwise, I know I don't really care about this. OPEC meetings doesn't really. Yeah, we have ADP non-farm. Okay. Anyway, so nothing major that should be disturbing us during the London Open. Gold, it's still not a structure break because it's not a swing point right there. So we're waiting for that. Okay. All right, so nothing. And as I said, we're gonna be very, very careful. Thank you so much, guys, for being here. It really means a lot to me, and let me give you guys a big applause for everyone who's watching the stream. Thank you, guys. Check out my Patreon at Pip Ninja. Check out my blog. Follow me on Twitter if you want to, and subscribe to the channel and push the like button. I have to say it, guys. This is the only way I can remind myself and you guys that we have to stay in connection, So be part of the team. We're building something here. We're doing something good. I have a surprise for you guys. A little bit of a joke when we start. I try to do this full time. Yes. Miss Healthy FX is here as well. Oh my god. Hello, Miss Healthy FX. One of my good regulars there. So Dario, yes, I'm trying to do this full time. I have a small side business in real life. I'm not going to the details there, but solely on trading, I'm not making a living just yet. So my second entry at gold 1921.30. Very nice, Haridas. Very nice. So I'm still trying to build up my trading to solely rely on trading, but so far it hasn't happened yet, but I'm on the way. I try to do my best, guys. That's why I'm here. Okay, so the official Silver Bullet session has begun. Silver Bullet session, guys. That was the joke. We are in the official Silver Bullet session. All right. Everybody's. London is here. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. Oh, I like this. I like this. I like what I see. Let me put this out of the way. Okay, I like what I see so far on the pound. This is something I like. Man, I have to go back here. Something is driving the markets down. All right, the big question. We have liquidity here. I'm looking for some bearishness, to be honest. Have to react quite fast. Liquidity down there. Okay, there is a small structure here. Not sure if it's going to be enough for us to go short. Maybe it will. Have to check the range. 6 pip, that's enough. That's enough for a range. I'm just putting a limit order. I'm not entering anything here. It can be a possible short entry on the silver bullet because this is a structure here. Very risky. I might just delete that, guys. Stop right there. Let's check the gold. Nothing on gold so far. Sell side is down there. Not forcing anything for now. Let's see if we get an entry or not. All right, we have 2 entries. My entry is off here, but there's my 2 entries for a possible silver bullet, but my pound entry is off. I messed up my entry on pound. The best entry would have been right a little bit above the 50% level, but the range is not clear yet for me. Let me delete this. I don't have the range for a 1-to-1, so it's the pound is a risky one, guys. My entry is not good. It's definitely not good. Maybe if I lower my risk a little bit, or maybe I should just close the whole position. My entry is not good, guys, on pound. I don't like it. If we could just return to the mid-level right here, I would be exiting, but my range is not that good. And let's put a TP here as well. TP should be inside this fair value gap down there. Oh, guys, it's not looking good. It's not looking good. It's going against us. Have to consider closing down some partial losses if it's going to go against us too hard. I hope you guys did not take any trade based on this. Okay, the gold also has a possible short entry here, but I do not want to over risk it. Oh, maybe I can. If I can have a range. Damn it, my entry is off. Okay, this would be my entry is off, damn it. This is my silver bullet on gold. But my entry is off, so I should have entered, I'm gonna tell you right here. So I entered there. Really? Eurodollar FVG filled? Yeah, it's filled. All right, that's good news in a way. The problem is that we still didn't really fill this FVG. I guess we can. I might going to close gold. Let's see if we have. Not looking that good. Have to be watching closely. This is actually a little bit over 1% from the account. Actually 1.2 or something like that. I have to manage that accordingly. But I think I'm gonna be exiting at 1-to-1. Gold should be a smaller one. The problem is that we still have a fair value gap up there. You guys want some drama? Some very nice drama. You know, just to spice up the mood. All right. I hope everyone is scared. Okay, euro dollar, man, it's not looking good. It's a bearish order block, by the way, so that's why I thought that it can be helping us by filling this gap. Now it's maybe we will have a reaction to the order block, and all I want is euro to get down here and you know, reprice this fair value gap down here. That's all. Silver bullet wise. So that's all I'm looking at. I'm not looking for anything special, just, you know, a fill. Yeah, it's exactly like that. Exactly like that. So I'm taking 1-to-1s. I'm not going to take part. Maybe, I don't know if I should. You entered Euro USD. Well, mind your own risk, guys. I'm not taking responsibility for anyone. Actually, my worst entry is on gold. My worst entry is on gold, and I might just close it. Yeah, I closed down gold with break even. Yeah, closed it with break even because I just don't like the movement. We'll see how the rest goes. All right, so I'm out from gold. I just don't like how it's hovering. Let me tell you why, because anyway, I don't even want to jinx it. It was too much risk. It was too much risk from my side. So maybe it will go there. I'm not saying it won't. I was just calculating the risk, and it was too much for me. Maybe should have kept it, you know. Should have, but I would have, but the risk was too much. I was calculating, and I'm not going to log this trade to break even or something. My risk was too much, so that's why I decided. But look at that. I closed it, and it's going to go down. Considering to put this to break even, I mean gold. I mean euro, sorry, euro. But still waiting. Would be nice from euro to reprice this fair value gap. Yeah, should have stuck with gold. Should have stayed with gold, man. Damn it. I'm also considering to close down pound with a break even, if I have to. Now it retraces back to this fair value gap. If it wants to tank from here, now would be the great opportunity for it to do so. Oh my god, gold, guys. Look at gold. I exited gold because I was a chicken, and look at that. No, I was over risking. Maybe I should have even entered, shouldn't have even entered on the first place, because my risk was too high for the account. Because if I take a stop loss on all of those, if I have 3 stop losses, that would have been too much of a risk for me. Yeah, game over, man. Oh my god. Look at that. Euro almost took my TP right there. This is bad, guys. It repriced this fair value gap almost completely. And now I have no idea what it wants to do. Now this is the risky one. Hey man, I screwed this up big time. Although, look at gold. Now it's coming back up. Damn it, guys. Oh, damn it. Okay, might be good for a re-entry. She's back. Yeah. I'm not re-entering gold as much as I like to, or it looks tempting. It's too much risk for the account. So I made a mistake by entering 3 trades because it's over 1% if I take a loss. So for now, this is all the risk I can take mentally. But if someone wants to enter a gold, it still has the range, you know. If you enter here, well, it's a very tight range, so be careful. But you know, if EU pushes up, do you think it's a good idea to buy? It is bouncing up to Asian high after sweeping previous week low. My TP on EU is 0857. There's my EU TP. Yeah, I have to be careful because if it's starting to shift structure, I might just have to close it manually. Maybe break even or with a small loss. There you go. It's shifting. It could be shifting, guys. It's technically it's a market structure shift almost. Not looking good. The euro is not looking good. And look at gold. Yeah. So if I was offside, I mean, it started out good. Almost hit the TP right there. Oh my god. If it's just repricing this fair value gap, then it can still go down. But have to consider closing at break even or with a small loss. So I'm watching it closely. I'm watching it closely, and I guess we'll see. The TP on euro again is 0857. If this, yeah, damn it. So we just have to wait and see. I'm more concerned about pound because look at this. It made a huge move to the downside. This is considered as a structure break, yes, but is it going to be enough to hold? I don't know. I don't know. Guys, please do not forget to push the like button. Thank you so much. Maybe if I maybe I can lose here big time. I'm not a Lambo guru trader, guys. I'm just a small streamer, a small humble trader tries to make a living. I do not make solely living on trading just yet, and this is just a challenge account, not real money. So that's it. I'm trying to be honest. Okay. All right. Do we have an order block? It reacted to this order block. Gold reacted partially to this bearish order block. No, that's not a bearish order block. I don't like what I see, guys. EU should be continuing to go down from here. 0842. All right. Well, I'm considering to close the pound trade if I have to. Look at that. It's turning. It was looking good. Oh, look at gold. Damn it. I shouldn't be doing this, right? Shouldn't be doing this. It's tempting to enter again on gold. My entry is off anyway, so I'm not entering. Oh, look at that. Pound is back to break even. You know, last line of defense for pound is the 5-minute fair value gap here. Right there. So we're waiting. Still waiting for that. That's a 5-minute fair value gap. Have to consider to close it with a partial loss if we have to. My order hasn't filled on gold. Wow. So, by the way, on pound on the 5-minute, it's technically a good entry on the 5-minute. It's a classic entry. If we put a if we put a FIB tool here, now would be your ideal entry on pound. Just saying, you know, if I would not be having this trade right now on pound, I would be entering here on the 5-minute right here. Just saying, this is the classic entry. You know, Asia has been taken out. We have some nice targets below. Now let's look at gold. Gold took out this high, poked into it. You know what? F it. 10 pips. With a... Should I enter? Should I enter? Should I not? There. Re-entered gold. Final TP should be down there. I'm over risking now, guys. Don't do this. Actually, all my positions are lower than 0.5%. But if I add it together, it's 3 stop losses. It's a little bit too much. So I'm definitely doing some over risking here. So don't do this at home, please. My overall risk exposure is rarely above 1%. Account wise, if you want to take 1% on each position, you know, that's your decision. I'm going to journal it with 1% per position for the journal. But, you know, it's your decision of what you're doing. Still have a 5-minute fair value gap on gold. Right there. But, you know, I like the relative equal lows here, and I like that we took out some liquidity and it still haven't repriced these levels down there. That's all. Actually, my entry is a little bit better than before, but, you know, that doesn't really matter, I think. Now, this has been repriced completely. It shouldn't really close above this candle. If it does, then it's not good. We have to close it. Yeah, unfortunately. Gold is spiking higher as well. Now this 5-minute fair value gap could be the last line of defense, and if it's not good, then yeah, gold is gonna take us out. Gold is taking us out, boys and girls. Everything is gonna take us out so far. If it's going to close above this, oh my god, it's so close. I should just close it and manage risk. So this fair value gap is the last line of defense in resistance wise. Still need a little bit of time. There was no structure break here, so I would not consider that as a structure. Now, if it's shooting up right now from this point, then it is what it is, guys. I accepted the risk. I accept the outcome, and that's it. Euro is going up as well. Pound, 5 minute is not even holding, so if I would have taken the 5 minute, it's still not holding. Look at Euro. Have to close down some positions, I guess. Yeah, Euro is taking us out. All right. Gold is taking us out as well. I'm going to manage risk and close the position, I guess. If I can save a few bucks. Okay. It started out good, I think. I think it, you know. All right. Pound took us out as well. So, guys, last savior is gold. Oh shit. Now we're down 5.5 and 5 losses. We're gonna journal it, don't worry. That's it for the winning streak. I think I should be managing risk by closing down gold. Yeah, closing down gold. It is what it is, guys. Close down gold. Journal wise, down to 4.5 with 6 losses overall this month. So let's journal. We're still not over in this session, but you know, even the 5 minute entry gave in because as you can see, this 5 minute entry was still okay. So not just the silver bullet, but also the 5 minute entry gave up. I'm down over 1% today. Over 1%, which is not so good, actually. Because I was over risking with gold. Yesterday we was up 1%. We were up 1%, but if I look at one more chance, and the next draw on liquidity would be yesterday's high on pound. On euro, I have no idea of what it wants to do. Hello, Teacher FX. Nice to see you, man. Nice to see you. How you doing, man? Almost a W. Actually, my TP was maybe one tick away on euro. Yes, actually, well, should have been a W, but you know, it was only one tick away. So that's interesting. Now gold is acting weird. Euro is definitely edging higher. Let's look at the dollar index. Look at the dollar index. Oh my god, look at it. It's going down. Still, it's repricing this fair value gap down there. Right here. So if it's repricing that and wants to turn around, then we might be seeing some turning point here. Pound definitely looks like it wants to take out yesterday high, so that is going to be the best target in draw of in liquidity as well. We have some buy side here on euro. Buy side. We have buy side liquidity there. Gold 1 minute SMS. We'll see. Yeah. Now the question is always, where is the draw on liquidity? Okay, let's go back to pound, because pound is so close to the upside here. It's only 10 pips away. Eight, actually. It's from here. It's 10. All right. All right, that's it. All right, we're in. This should be the draw on liquidity. Right there. Kind of a second chance, but we'll see. As for euro, I have no idea. You have some buy side there. We have some buy side there. And it's only 6 pips away. So it's not that far. But it would be double the risk. So I'm just going to, I don't know. I don't see liquidity up there, you know, or reason for euro to go up there. Maybe because there is one on the 1 hour, so technically it does have some liquidity. Technically it does have some liquidity up there. But where is the real draw on liquidity? Who knows, right? All right. Second chance, and that's it. We'll see how it goes. Risk is down here. Okay, that's it, guys. No more entry for silver bullet for me because I'm going over 2%, and that's my stop threshold. And I really wanted to stay for more trades, but you know, going over this limit is, you know, it's gonna stop me out for the rest of the day. Let's see, what do we have? I'm gonna go for a 1 to 2 with partial, maybe. There. Overall, I was bullish for the week, but you know, yes, I was funded at FTMO, but I blew the account. Yeah. And I was funded at my funded FX too. I was always stated that I'm not a pro trader. I'm just trying to, you know, make it into trading world. Okay. So yeah, I was working for that funded account for quite some time, and you know, it was hard, and then I blew it in 2 weeks. It was terrible. Look at gold. Oh my god, look at this. It's playing mind games. EU is rejecting the EMA on a trans. Okay, it tends to respect it. I guess we have to see what goes on here. We'll be closing partials if we get there. But we have yesterday's high so close, so that's a significant draw on liquidity. So let's see what it does, I guess. Look at gold. I closed down gold because I thought that it's gonna take out that high. Perfect short entry on euro. Well, you know, it depends. The only problem is that I don't have a structure break on euro. I don't have a structure break on euro here. If I wanted to enter short, I would need a structure break, and we have buy side, but I guess you can be right. In the fair value gap right there. Okay, this is not gonna work out today, it seems like. It's just gonna be one of those days. Look at gold. I closed it and now it's going down. Let's look the 5 minute. Oh, very nice. Congratulations, Dario. Very good. You know, my stop loss is your target. That's it. All right. Well, you know, with that kind of profit, I think it's a good thing. Okay, I think that's it for the day, guys. That's it. And that's it for the day for me. Gave back the profits down to 2.5 and lost 8 trades for the month. Oh my god. Have to journal a lot here. No more silver bullet trades here. 4 stop losses or 5 in a row. I don't even know. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stop losses. Alright. And I reached my 2% threshold for today, so no more entries for me today. Don't tell me it's going up because I'm gonna eat my head. It's going up, guys. Anyway, enter 10:03 to 10:20, 10:30. Well, I try to. Yeah, I'll try to. Yeah, look at that. I try to be here, yes. Yeah, just follow order flow when trading. I was trying to follow it. Now this is a structure break here on the pound, right here with the fair value gap. Look at the 1 hour. Actually, it's huge indecision in the market right now. Huge indecision. Why does this keep happening? Every time we think we have found a good system. No, it's a good system. I still think it's a great system. It's no problem with the system. That's it. The problem is with me, the money management, you know. That's a problem. The system itself is perfect. This would have been a nice short entry. Oh my god. Can't even stand it. I can't stand to look at it, guys. Yeah. This fair value gap provided some nice resistance up there. The system itself is good. No problem with that. The problem was the first entry was not, it was okay. My second entry here on pound, that was a problem, I think. It can still be a problem. There. Revenge trading 101. Full TP2. Alright, let's log the losses. Okay, in my opinion, you have great technicals, but you are over trading and a bit indecisive. Yes, I respect that opinion actually. I respect it. I'm gonna go through with the 1 to 2 if it goes down the way it should. But you know, that's a very good input, so I thank you for that, Dario. I was analyzing my trades from last month and I almost got to the same conclusion. Like I see the technical side, but when shit hits the fan, I start to overtrade by making bad decisions. My first entry was okay on both of the pairs, both euro and pound. Second entry, I should have been more careful. I guess. My second entry, that's where I messed up. So first time, okay, that was as it should have, you know, it was the classic stop loss, no problem there. And here as well. The second time, this trade is the one that I shouldn't have taken. So now I have a big hole. I'm trying to dig myself out of it. And that's not a good behavior. But you know, I'm sharing my experience with you guys here on stream, so this is my honest reaction. I'm not hiding anything. I just try to be better, you know. I'm not a Lambo trader. I stated that quite a few times before. So Oh no, I could have closed it at 1-to-1. At least it's on break even. My biggest problem is missing winners. I'm considering only trading EU and GU to avoid that. Yeah, I mean, that's the thing, how you can do that, yes. Not the best feeling, I must say. But let's journal it, alright? I'm just staring here. I had 5 losses. GU, gold, EU, GU. GU, gold, EU, GU. GU, gold, EU. GU, gold, EU, GU. Let's check it again. Oh, we had one more. One EU as well. Okay. Oh my god. It's gonna be look terrible. Silver bullet. Silver bullet. Silver bullet. Silver bullet. Silver bullet. There was one sell. One sell. There was one sell as well, then one buy and one buy, and all of these are stop losses. Oops, very bad. Oh my god. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. No, 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 no. Accuracy went down to 56%. London session, London, 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 London. It's the 6th still. Okay. I don't even know where I entered. I'm just gonna leave it here. Oh, sorry. Damn it. Gold is making very nice move. Really? Oh. Yeah, so I made back a little bit of gold. Alright. At least I made one back. Closed it full. Okay, I made back one trade. Yeah. Okay. Don't worry, guys. Let's see. I don't know the exact time yet, so I'm just gonna paste it like this. We have one gold trade, which was a sell. Silver bullet. It was only a TP1. 1 minute. It was good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They have 8 stop losses. Down to 3.5%. All right. Let's see. Look at that. This was the perfect entry right there. I mean, forget about this one. This was the entry right there, right up there. This was the best silver bullet entry. Structure break. Boom. Down to the bullish order block. Down to the bullish order block right there. I would have entered around here. Stop loss would be up here. Would be at TP1 by now. I would suggest you to close more trades manually. Take partials, because if it close to a TP but you see reverses, better take some profits. Yes, I sometimes I used to do that. Not always, obviously, but I should do that more often. That's for sure. Account wise, I'm down $800 net because of commissions. Otherwise 680. So 2% is my total stop, which threshold. I'm not sure if I want to continue trading, but I told you gold. Yeah, yes, actually you were right, Haritas. You were actually right. You were actually right there. Now if we look at the journal, the silver bullet statistics went down to 57% correct. 14 silver bullets, 57% correct. I was just implementing this. Still, it's alright. If, by the way, I did not take any regular trades this morning. I would have taken this trade. Let me show you. I would have taken this trade on the 5-minute right here. If I would not be trading the silver bullet, I would have been taking this one right there. So that would have been a stop loss. We know that by now, of course. Look at euro. Gold took out this sell side. That's why I closed it down. Dollar index edging higher. This is the 5-minute, guys. This is not the 1-minute. So yeah, the pound, this pound, this would have been the optimal entry right there for a silver bullet, right there. This would have been the great trade for pound. For the pound. But I missed it. Okay, so I would have had at least one stop loss for today, that's for sure. One full stop if I use the 5-minute to enter here. So it's a good thing that I was in the silver bullet. Good, another good thing, but actually it. Do you know which FA should I look at if there is more than one on gold right now on 5-minute? Let's check gold. Let's check gold on the 5-minute. Gold 5-minute. It all depends on the structure if you want to go short. Now, because it is not a down close candle, you know, this is a swing low. I wanted to see, you can look this most likely, so just to answer the question, but you know, if you take the swing and if you want to go short, for example, on the 5-minute, maybe it would be best for you to wait to get around 50% fib level. I know there's a fair value gap here, but maybe you should wait until you get to optimal trade entry. Otherwise, this last swing in itself, it's not the best entry for me on the 5-minute, because this candle, although it broke this swing low, the wick, but the problem is I don't like wicks. I will want to see a down close candle with a full body to consider going short. That's what I would like to see. That's what I would like to see. So if you want to take a short, with maybe put your stop loss up here, and you can target this sell side right down there. But you know, right around the top of this candle would be an optimal trade entry, in my opinion. You know. One minute break of structure. Let's see. Oh yeah, yeah, there was a break of structure. This candle broke structure here. We have a small fair value gap left here. So technically, it looks good. I admit that. Yeah, I mean, if you're trading off the 1 minute and it's still silver bullet time, you can look for liquidity. Why not? Why not? This candle would have been an entry poked into that fair value gap on the 1 minute. So I guess it can be called valid. This is 5-minute gold again. Look at that. It perfectly repriced this fair value gap. It might continue to drop down, you know. And look at euro and euro. Oh my god. Okay, euro. Euro also had. What am I looking at? I was looking at the wrong chart. Come on, man. I was looking at euro. I was talking like it was gold and it was euro. Okay, you can go long. Yeah. Guys, I think this loss took a toll on me. Yeah, so yeah. So gold took a little bit of a sell side. No structure break, by the way. If you want to go long, you can do it here, but I don't see a major structure break. Oh my god, lawnmower. Let me close the window. All right, I'm here. The neighbor yesterday was using the flex disk. Now today he's using the lawnmower. KRK Trading. Servus, üdvözöllek. How are you doing? Fellow Hungarian visitor. Thank you guys for being here. All right. Look at euro. Still going down. Now, since the silver bullet session is almost over, you know, this looks interesting in the perspective of pound. We're so close to buy side, and you know, I mean yesterday's high that I mean. Took some liquidity, I know, but what if it wants to take out these highs before it dips down? If I put a fib here, the 5 minute, you know, it can still go higher. The 27 level was rejected, made a structure break. No. It would be nice to see it go further. Let's see the dollar index. Dollar index also could continue its way down. You know? So that can help us. Now this is not a silver bullet entry. This is my regular entry. That's it. Alright, so this is a regular trade entry. It's not silver bullet. It is based on my 5-minute strategy. So nothing major. the hell am I doing? Messed up my chart here. Okay, so this is based on my 5-minute entry model, not mine. It's basically, that's what I think is the draw on liquidity. So it's not a silver bullet again. It's just my theory of what price should do. It should take out these highs. And what is above these highs? Lots of targets actually. 250, 500. Okay. All right, it can be good. It can be good. Let's put a trade manager EA on this one. All right. All right. We're gonna take partial there. And the second TP is up there. Very good. Gonna take 65% there. All right. All right. So the EA is going to take care of this trade. Now this is based on my usual trade entry, not the silver bullet. Going for TP2 and going for partials. The EA is going to take partials. It's a free EA, by the way. You can download it from the marketplace. It's called where is it? Come on, where is it? Here it is. It's called Trade Panel Pro by Runwise FX for MT5. So Trade Panel Pro by Runwise FX. If you search for it in the marketplace, you can find it. It's a free tool actually. It has some bugs, to be honest. It has a few bugs. You have to get used to it. But once you configure the settings, there's quite a few settings you can configure with it. EU, goodbye. Well, maybe. Still have 1 hour from London kill zone. So just a reminder, whatever I would have done today, I would have had a stop loss on the 5-minute pound. The reason why I don't had that, because I was already in the silver bullet trade. So now I think this is the draw on liquidity, which is yesterday's high. Yesterday high is the draw on liquidity. In my personal opinion. You missed gold again? What did you miss there? Look at gold. Gold looks like it wants to go higher. Never mind. What's your view on gold? 15 minute? Let's check it. Gold 15 minute. Well, look at this. It's beautiful. The 5-minute order block was holding it, but I think gold wants to take out. Look at this. It's like a swing position here. I think it's going to take out this swing high. That's what I think. I have no entry for it right now. If you are looking at the 15 minute, which is this one, could be a possible entry here on the 15 minute to go long. So we have relative equal highs here. So based on the 15-minute chart, you could go long. And you still have a range to go 1-to-1. See you later, Dario. Thank you for being here, and thanks so much for the advices and everything. Hope to see you soon. We have many viewers. I will be here from the... All right. Well, at one point... Hello, Tom. I've blown 4 challenges so far and 3 real accounts. I was always... situation like yours today. I just couldn't stop and keep trading after losses. I kind of see that you can't stop either. Yes, Sanhanza, you're correct. I can deal with the stop loss, but it's hard to congest when I have a bad idea. Bye there, Haridas. Thank you for being here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And you guys deserve an applause, you know. Thank you for being here. And yeah, I see what you mean, Sanhanza. Definitely. It's hard to stop. Hard to accept the... not the stop loss itself, but the idea, you know. That I had an idea and it was wrong. Or actually when I, you know, I feel the FOMO because when I closed down the trade earlier to save some capital, and anyway, it's complicated. It's hard to stop. So when you have a losing streak, 3 or 4 losses in a row, you just have to make up some kind of a rule to stop, right? I mean, that would be the best, that would be the way to do it. That would be the way to do it, but it's hard. It's very hard. I mean, but there's something interesting, you know, if you can make 2 to 5%, what we're aiming for right now, what I'm aiming for is, am I able to do 8 or 10% profit in about 1 month? It's all because of the challenges, you know. The challenges put your mind into a different state. And if I would be, you know, I'm very much confident that if I can make I'm very much confident that I can make 3 to 5% in a month. I'm very confident in that I can make 3 to 5% in a month. At least 3%, I'm very confident that I can make. Now the problem is that if I have like a $2,000 account or a $5,000 account, 3% of that capital, you know, doesn't really helps out your life. So you know, that is something that doesn't really helps you out. You need to have at least, you know, 25k, 50k, 100k, and this puts my mind into the trouble of trying to achieve 8 or 10% in a month or so. So you have to aim for higher. Hedge funds usually make 10, 15, maybe 20% in a year. Again, 10, 15, maybe 20% in a year, a hedge fund. And now the prop firms, you know, want us to achieve 8 or 10%. It's a good business model for them for sure. But I have to train my mind. Good to see you, KRK. Have a nice day. Thank you for being here. So we have to train our mind to achieve that high profit. That puts some extra pressure. It definitely does. It definitely does put us in an extra pressure. Now pound has stopped here. Let's look at gold. Let me check something, guys, real quick. Alright, so still waiting. Now the 5 minute, I like it much better than the 1 minute. I can, you know, think clearly. Let's look at Euro. Okay, Euro took some liquidity here, which is good. The best idea for Euro would be to go down, which is not good for my pound. Well, that doesn't mean it won't go up. On the 5 minute, I see no entry on gold, by the way. There was no entry still. This was not a structure break, so nothing there. And nothing on Euro on the 5 minute. Only thing I did see is that maybe we will go for that buy side liquidity on pound. So let's see if we get there. I'm just watching the charts. You know, guys, how it is. Okay, so the silver bullet trades were a disaster. Those were a disaster. I closed this at break even. That's cool. All right, so definitely not the silver bullet day that I was onto. You have to have days like this, you know. Look at gold. Wow. So it wants to reprice this level. Now this is interesting on gold, you know, because let's look at the higher time frame. Because on the 15-minute, let's look at gold on the 15-minute. That's, what is that? Yeah, that's a 4-hour order block. Can still drive it lower. Now on the 15-minute on gold, look at, it's still reacting to the 5-minute order block, so we are just around optimal trade entry. And this was a bullish order block. Yeah. This could be a possible long entry on the 15-minute. The problem is, didn't really, yeah. All right, this is going to be a swing entry. Yeah, it's not good. I'm just measuring the distance here, but it's still not good. Maybe it's going to reprice that gap. There's a possibility. Not doing anything, don't worry. I'm just looking at how it all reacts. Poked into buy side there. Now it's driving down. Interesting. The rest is following. What does dollar index doing? Getting a little stronger, I see. At this structure break, which is still valid. 15-minute gold is in the middle of the bullish order block. Did it have a structure break? It did, with this up close candle. Not the perfect one. Still going down. Euro dollar repricing. Now this gap, we were talking about this on the 15-minute, I think. This was a structure break here. Now I am going to take a long, finally here. In this area, I think. Yeah, I might. Five minutes. Okay. Bullish order block. 1 hour. Okay, that's fine. That's fine by me. All right. Okay. That's it. Let's see. All right, based on the 15-minute chart, the confluence is with the 1 hour chart and with the bullish order block on the 1 hour and the structure break, and that's it. If I put the fib here, yeah, for now that's it. All right, guys. I have some IRL stuff to do, unfortunately. I'm not going to open more trades. This is it. And that's it for the London session. All right, we'll see if I continue in the New York session. Not a productive day so far, so hope that these trades will, you know, get some losses back. Anyways, thank you so much for being here. Please drop some likes, and hope to see you guys in New York session, or if not, then tomorrow in the London session. All right, and sub to the channel and support me on Patreon. Thank you so much, and see you guys soon. All right, cheers everyone.